This is the most popular hotel lock, and this is also a Bluetooth smart lock. Okay, this is the lock model, and the lock body of this lock is like this. We call it US standard 5-latch lock body because there are 5 latches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 latches. This lock body is the most widely used in the hotels around the world. And now I show you how to install this lock body, this lock in the doors. Take this like a hotel door. In the package of this lock, you can see this is a hole sketch. You can dig the holes in the doors by this picture. Okay, we already dig the holes in the door, but I tell you how to use this paper, and put the paper in the door, and you can see there are holes in the paper. Means you need to dig the holes in the door 100% same to these holes on the paper. So after you dig the holes on the door, you can install the locks. First, we need to install the lock body inside the door. We take the front panel down. Install the cylinder. It is made by the brass. Install the cylinder into the lock body. Put it inside and use the key to test. Okay, you can see the deadbolt is out. It means the cylinder is in correct position. This is the screws of the cylinder, a very small, tiny, blank one. There are 2 screws. And in the package, you get a screwdriver. Insert this cylinder is not a very easy job. You need to pay much attention. Okay, let's test it again. Insert the keys, and okay, it's working. See the front panel. We put it in the surface of the door. But before you put it, there is a very, very important thing you need to pay attention to. Here, there are 2 screws. You make sure this is a small head, this is big. Make sure the big head will go inside the hole. Okay, press in, and the back side handle, the big head inside the hole. Okay, and now another very, very important thing you need to know. This small arrow, the arrow head should be toward the latch. Okay, this square hole with arrow, this face should be toward the outside of the door. Look at the back side. There is no arrow, but only 2 small circles. This should be inside of the door. If you didn't install it correctly, the door lock will not work correctly. And now we connect the wire. Here we go. Here is a wire. Window should be inside. And now insert the spindle, insert into the holes. And now the back side, the spindle inside, and This is another small spindle. Look at very carefully. This small hole should be inserted into this hole. The two holes should be correctly. Okay. Now I rotate. You can see this spindle is used to make sure the deadbolt is out. Double security. Now insert the screws. Here we go. And use the keys to test. Good, very good. And put back the keyholes. So the lock is installed very successfully. How to connect the smartphone to the smart lock? First, you need to open the smart amp and touch the end lock, touch the door lock, and touch the next. And then we touch the key pan of the lock. And now you see there is a plug icon. Touch the plug icon. And give lock a name, for example, entrance. Okay, entrance door. Now the lock is connected. Unlock by the Bluetooth key. Guests want to come to your hotel and they don't want to download the app, so you can give them the time limited passcode. How to do? First, open the app and check there is a generate passcode. Touch it. There are 5 choices. Paramount means the password is valid forever. Timed means there is start and end time. For example, this guest will stay in your hotel 3 days, so the valid time is from today to May the 10th, and generate the passcode. So this passcode, you can send the passcode to your guest. Let's try the passcode and check maybe it's valid or not. Touch, give the light. So this passcode is working. See card for this smart lock. First, open smart amp and touch the IC card and touch the 3-point. Touch the IC card. Give a name. For example, the guest name is Tom, and he will stay in the room 3 days. So the valid time is 3 days. And we touch next. And now give the card info. Okay, now this card is connected to the smart lock, and now let's open it. So this card is successfully connected to the smart app. Reset this lock into the factory mode. First, we need to connect the wire of the lock body and the battery, and this small wire here. Okay, the blue light on. Make sure the 4 batteries are inside, and then look at the back side of the lever handle. There is a small button. Press this button 4 seconds. Okay, 2 short beeps means the lock returned to the factory mode. how to prove. Open the amp and we try to. Okay. You can see the plug sign appears. The plug sign appears means you can connect the lock to the smart amp, and that means the reset work is done. This smart lock by the Tesla coil not working for this smart lock.